Welcome to this vet video, everyone. Thank you so much for the continued support. Let's continue growing. Let's try and hit 10K as quick as possible. So continue to share these updates, subscribe, like, and comment. It is really appreciated. Now, guys, look at that. We're continuing with this rally exactly as we have been predicting, all because we held that 4111 low. So let's head over to my Twitter now. Make sure you're following me there. Links are down below. And let's continue with this update. So guys, make sure you're following me here anyways. We're trying to hit 3K as quick as possible. So yeah, use the links down below. We called that bottom exactly. We're now seeing Vechain continue to rise. And this is simply because we continue to hold that 4111 low. And of course, daily, we were making those updates and essentially suggesting this is what we're expecting. Also, if we go over to this post from February the 24th, so only a few days back, we were essentially saying if Vechain can hold above 4111, I'm expecting high, and we only got 4 likes at the time. Now, a couple more people liked it because I was taking the mick out of it, because we were giving you this here completely on the channel. And of course, when I was mentioning that we could just hold this low and continue higher, and although there were retracement levels lower, I was explaining why we can just continue higher, because if there's no loss of this wick, there's no lower low. So you don't actually have to come down deeper, back down to this previous support and resistance. Like a lot of people were saying in my comments, this guy's clueless, go back to school. And then you can see in the end, if you stick around long enough, this is why I made that post. If you stick around long enough, you will know I am the game. Do not play me. But anyways, let's dive into the Vechain chart. And pretty much exactly what we were saying. We saw 4111 hold, and we're getting that continuation. We were originally in this trade that was 567% at this point. We're now higher than that. You can't even troll me because I only sold 75% of the position here. We closed a lot of it because this was a key level of resistance, being the golden pocket. And usually, guys, when we are approaching this level, you get a rejection. We didn't do that. Well, we did very short term, and I made you guys aware instantly that yes, usually we'd come back, reject the 0.6s and come to the 0.5, like a lot of you were saying. Of course, I said something a little bit different. There was a new level of support now showing that there's 2 layers of support in one place. As long as we hold 4111, we will break the high. And this is what we're starting to see today. If we do close as of where we are right now, it would be a new higher high with the bodies. Of course, for continuation to 7 and 9 cents, we want to break this wick with a daily candle close, so around 515. So daily candle close above 515, instantly getting that continuation to our expected targets. Until then, yeah, there's the risk of the rollover, but continue to hold 4111 and all is calm. So pretty much, what are we expecting next after 9 cent? Because I'm already getting questioned that. It's funny because I was calling for that 9 cent all the way back down here, saying people didn't want to hear it. Now that we're almost there, people want to know where are we going next. At the moment I say it, people will just be like, no, guy's clueless again. Doesn't know what he's talking about where. But if you were here from around June, September, and October of last year, these were 3 bullish divergences that I was able to call for you guys and telling you that this was the bottom, because we're seeing bullish patterns appear on the loss of a low. So why are they appearing when this is a lower low? We're meant to continue lower. And every single resistance that we hit, we didn't continue lower. Resistance hit, we didn't continue lower. 3 bullish divergences all occurring just after a loss. So the loss is a fake move. This is why I was able to say we're going to return to 3 cent one day. No one wants to hear it. Saw all the bullish crosses that we needed. Saw the reclaim of the EMAs. You know, you can see previously it was not above them consistently. Here we got above, went back under. Here we got above, went back under. Here we actually stayed above, saw the crosses that we needed. And even on this dump over here, I told you that this was the bottom because we're above the 200 EMA. This is why we took advantage of this position, adding almost 9x leverage and still taking the absolute piss out of this trade, because we had just closed majority of the position, leaving some in because I didn't want to give back hundreds of percents if it did come back down to here. Equally, I don't want to close everything just in case we go higher, because I was personally believing that eventually the golden pocket would be support as we are seeing right now and as predicted, and that we would get this continuation high. So guys, please do me a favor, support the channel. If you could share these updates into your Telegram, into your Discord, into whatever platform your community is on, retweet on Twitter. Tag me in them. Just say the content that everyone's missing out by not following these Vechain updates. It would really be appreciated. And if you could also subscribe, like, and comment underneath this video as well, just so we can get to 10k subscribers as quick as possible. Thank you so much for the continued support. If you ever need further assistance, want further exclusive content such as live streams where I mentorship you twice a week, guys, Tuesdays and Thursdays, join the chat. It's only $25 a month, and it's going to allow me and enable me to continue bringing out these videos with free, valuable content. So stick around here anyway. You're going to get so much out of it. Look at this move where we called the bottom, totally free here on the channel. If you wanted to get in on that leverage trade, which I will show you right now, what profit it is now that we've broken the high, then of course, all you need to do is use the links down below. Head over to the website, set up your membership, and I'll see you over there for our weekly calls.